Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. Today we're doing a shrimp and broccoli. You know, we'll call it healthy Chinese food, but I don't think I have street credit because I don't stir everything with chopsticks. Anyways, take your shrimp. Actually, these are prawns because I like them better and they're big. Salt them a little bit. You know, and I cover them in flour because guess what? I'm going to deep fry them and it's going to be so good. Anyways, just like flour. You don't need much more than that. Okay, maybe a little bit more flour. Okay, so shake it up. They're nice, evenly covered. They'll be good. Set those aside. Alright, take the white part of your green onion, chop that up. Chop, 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 chop. Okay. Yep, put that in your mixer cup. Okay, garlic. Okay, peel it. And then you're gonna mince it, dice it, crush it, whatever you want to do. It's like watching old people drive in Florida. This is taking forever. Okay, put it in the cup. There you go. Put a little bit of salt in there with it. And then soy sauce, I don't know, a tablespoon, or however much you want. Doesn't really matter. Probably about 1 or 2 Chinese packets from the takeout place. A little bit of water, 1/4 cup of water. A little bit of drizzle of sesame oil. Sorry, I didn't measure, people. And then you're gonna hit it up with some honey. Once again, didn't measure it. Taste it. And when you like the taste, that's enough honey. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, deep fry the shrimp. Won't take long. I mean, you're just looking for a little bit of the golden brown crust. I mean, I follow the sushi rule that anything that goes in sushi, err on the side of not overcooking it like no other. Okay, set those aside. You're gonna blanch your broccoli for 2 minutes. Is a fancy word for boil it for a short period of time. Preheat your pan with a little bit of oil. Get your sauce in, and you could have put cornstarch or flour in your sauce earlier to thicken it up. But personally, with broccoli and anything that's fried, I find that it absorbs sauce just fine without the flour and cornstarch, so I skip that. Unless it's too runny and then I add some here, but that's fine too. The breading on the shrimp absorbs it, and I don't know, what do you call them, the leaves on the broccoli, you know, that does a good job of capturing sauce as well, but a little bit too runny. Sometimes the honey sticks more than other times, so adjust. See, this is where I really need to use chopsticks. It would look so much cooler. Okay, that's looking like it's done. I mean, your shrimp are cooked in the frying, your broccoli's cooked in the water, so really you're just getting it to take on the sauce. So, I mean, you don't need to cook it more than a minute or two. Oh, am I gonna put it in the bowl? Yes, I am. Say, look. Oh man, that looks good. Yeah, doesn't it? And you skip the flour, you can make it low carb or keto, but I'm not into that. And top it with some sesame seeds, and it's gonna be about perfect. See, there you go. Look at that.